Televisions have come a very long way from the black and white analog TV to the color analog TV and to the very big and bulky color TV. Fast forward to now. Nowadays we have very big TVs. Like this one. This is an OLED screen TV. We have an LCD screen 4K TV over here. And they are very big and they are very clear. But there is one very small thing that bugs me about these TVs, and that's the placement of the USB ports. Were they like in a meeting and one of them proposed like, let's place the USB port in the most unusual place ever, at the very back of the television, where our customers will struggle to get that USB flash disk or hard disk into the TV. I mean, look at this TV. It's also a 65-inch LCD screen. It's like the USB ports are at the center of the back of the TV. Now, how are you supposed to mount this TV on the wall and access these ports? You know there's a difference between the HDMI port and the USB port. The HDMI port is a one-time thing. You just plug and you use it. But the USB port is used regularly. Look at this TV over here. It's broken. Why? Because this TV was mounted on the wall and the customer had to use this port. The space in between the television and the wall was very small. So it ended up breaking this USB port. And I had to repair this TV. Like I said, it's a very big difference between the HDMI port and the USB port. You only plug the HDMI port once during the lifetime of your TV. But the USB port is something that is used regularly. I wrote a blog post about this same thing, and you can see in the previous picture, I used the USB extension cable because it's much easier. But you see, the problem with that method is that it works with low current USB devices. The big current demand USB devices like hard disks, like for example the mechanical hard drive, does not work with the USB extension cable. So it's high time manufacturers need to relocate this USB port on televisions. We can't keep going like this, man. I need a USB port at the front side of my television, not at the very back, where I have to struggle. Sometimes I go with my USB drive, sometimes I plug it into a HDMI port, and we just can't work like this, man. We need something to change. Manufacturers, if you can hear me, change the location of your USB port. If you have seen a better placed USB port on a modern television, guys, please tweet me with a picture. My Twitter account is in the description below. Thanks for watching me rant, and goodbye.